Schools could not run without classified staff, from the office to the classroom to the library to just the campus in general. They keep things running.
Everybody needs an April, that's what I'll tell you.
Thank you for calling Hoover Elementary. This is April. How can I help
Office
you?
managers are the glue that holds us all together. She does everything. She works phenomenally with students, with parents, phones, budgeting. She's basically my right-hand person, my go-to for any questions that I have about anything here at the school or even in the district.
Well, Andrew is like basically on call all the time for help with technology. I think every teacher has him on speed dial.
Brenda's a rock star. She primarily works with our students in the general education setting. She and all of our special education assistants are so vital because they serve more than just the ability to support a student in the classroom, but they also are supporting our kids with their social emotional needs on a day-to-day basis. And they're that trusted person that a student can go to when they're in crisis. They are the helpers, and I think our students see that and know that.